Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we are genetics growers and we're all about helping you grow your own food, whether you've got a tiny balcony or a huge backyard. Today we want to talk about something that drives every gardener crazy: summer. You know that time when your plants go from thriving to barely surviving and you're wondering what the heck went wrong. In this video, we're going to share the 5 biggest summer problems that could be sabotaging your garden right now. And more importantly, we'll show you exactly how to fix them without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Problem number 1. Thirsty plants and drought stress. Okay, let's start with the obvious one: water problems. But here's the thing. It's not just about giving your plants more water, it's about watering them smarter. When summer hits hard, water evaporates super fast, and your plants are basically working overtime trying to stay cool and hydrated. Here's what to look for: leaves turning yellow or getting crispy brown edges. Plants that look sad and droopy, especially during the hottest part of the day. Soil that's bone dry and cracking. Here's how to fix it. First thing, water early morning or evening, never at noon. You're just wasting water when it evaporates right away. Second, use mulch. Seriously, this is a game changer. Straw, dried leaves, even cardboard works. It keeps your soil moist way longer. Third, water less often but go deep. It's way better to give your plants a good drink every few days than a tiny sip every day. Problem number 2, summer bugs going crazy. Problem number 2 is bugs everywhere. The heat doesn't just stress your plants, it makes bugs multiply like crazy. We're talking aphids, whiteflies, thrips, and spider mites. Basically a bug party you didn't invite. Signs you've got uninvited guests: leaves that look like Swiss cheese, sticky, gross stuff on your leaves. That's honeydew. Yuck. Tiny bugs flying around when you touch your plants. Natural solutions that actually work. Soapy water is your best friend here. Mix a tablespoon of dish soap in a spray bottle with water and spray during cooler hours. Plant some basil, mint, or marigolds around your veggies. Bugs hate the smell. It's like natural bug spray. Check your plants every day. Catching problems early means you won't have a full-blown bug invasion later. Problem number 3. Sunburned plants. Yes, really. Plot twist: plants can get sunburned too. This especially happens to tender leaves like lettuce, spinach, or any baby plants you just put outside. What sunburned plants look like: white or brown patches on leaves, edges that look crispy and dry, plants losing that beautiful green color. How to protect your plants. Shade cloth is amazing. Get 30% to 50% shade cloth. It's cheap and works like sunglasses for your plants. Create natural shade by planting tall stuff like sunflowers or corn to protect your smaller plants. Give your plants a gentle mist early in the morning to help them cool down. Think of it as plant air conditioning. Problem number 4. Fungus problems. Here's something that might surprise you. Summer can actually bring fungus problems too, especially when it's humid or you're watering too much. Powdery mildew, rust, and downy mildew love to crash the summer party. Red flags to watch for: white or gray powdery stuff on leaves, yellow spots that keep getting bigger, leaves falling off way too early. Prevention and treatment. Give your plants room to breathe. Crowded plants can't get good airflow. Always water the soil, not the leaves. Wet leaves are like an invitation for fungus. Baking soda spray works wonders. Just a teaspoon per quart of water helps prevent fungus issues. Problem number 5. Tired, worn-out soil. Last but definitely not least, your soil is exhausted. Summer heat and fast-growing plants can drain your soil faster than you think. Signs your soil needs help: plants growing super slowly even with good watering, leaves looking pale or yellowish, tiny fruits or vegetables that just aren't impressive. How to feed your soil. Add compost or worm castings every few weeks. Think of it as vitamins for your soil. Use liquid organic fertilizer. It gets absorbed faster in hot weather. Start planning crop rotation for next season to give your soil a break. Before we wrap up, here are 3 bonus tips that'll totally change your summer gardening game. Tip 1. Work in your garden super early or late in the day. Save yourself and your plants from the brutal midday heat. Tip 2. Keep a simple garden journal. Note which plants are doing great and which ones are struggling. Future you will thank you. Tip 3. Next summer, consider heat-loving plants like peppers, eggplants, okra, or squash. Work with the weather, not against it. And that's a wrap. Remember, the secret to summer gardening success is paying attention to your plants every day and catching problems before they get out of hand. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really helps us create more content like this. And drop a comment below. Which of these problems have you dealt with in your garden? See you in the next video. Happy gardening!